This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable dessert cups, specifically these Pinewood Incline dessert cups. They're made from pine wood, which is a great sustainable option. So if you're a caterer or a food establishment and you're looking for something that's a little more eco-friendly, this can be a great one for both desserts or savory items, especially side dishes for restaurants. If you're looking for something to contain some, I don't know, French fries or other little finger foods to put on a plate alongside it, these can make a nice option, whether it's savory or sweet. The pine wood is a nice little bit of rustic charm. It has that natural feel and vibe and a little bit of variation to each one because you just have that kind of wood grain look to it, right? And it's got a nice little incline to it. So it's got a little bit of a stylish edge combined with that little bit of rustic nature, which is a nice little choice there. And it makes it go with a lot of different aesthetics. So it's great for events, especially if you're into catering. The little cups are available in a couple of sizes, and we have the 2.5 inch diameter 4-ounce size and the 3 1/4 inch 7-ounce size. So you have some different options there depending on what you're doing. Making this great for tasting menus, for appetizers or other small bites. Say if you're doing an event and you're looking to do kind of a heavy app and you have maybe some what would typically be main dishes that are going to be served in smaller portions, these can make really fantastic options to make them either easily passed or for a nice, easy self-service buffet. The inclines mean that it's easy for people to grab either by the sides or the top and the back. And it's, you know, a nice open area, which means you have a good amount of space, right? Some good retail in there to really display those foods and make a nice, vibrant, attractive presentation, whether it's savory or sweet. So these are a fantastic option for caterers, for restaurants looking for something to kind of pack their little side dishes in to go on plates. And they're also great if you're just having a party at home and you're looking for something to present all of your wonderful foods into your guests.